This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable hover text on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You might go all out of your effort, such as making text bigger on Mac to screen on the teeny zigzag on Mac's digital screen. But if you still cannot see the text clearly, then you need to stand up from the chair to look for the magnifying glass. That's really tedious. Actually, there is a readability aider named HoverTech that can help you out of trouble. So how to enable this feature? You can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can click on accessibility. You can just scroll down and you'll find there's an option zoom. You can just click on that, and here there's an option enable hover text. You can just checklist on that. If you click on option, you can uh, customize the hover text. You can click on OK. Now let's try to open to use this hover text. To trigger to activate this feature, you can just press the command key on your keyboard. Let's try. I will try to open this. So you can just press command and you can just slide your mouse like this, your trackpad. And as you can see in here, the text becomes bigger on your uh, MacBook. So cool, right? So it can make it easier to read the text. So that is how to enable hover text on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.